Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Criminal News. I'm Putra Amelia and thank you for joining us today. Our top story comes from Bandung, West Java, where our shocking criminal case has drawn nationwide attention. A young woman was allegedly held captive by her boyfriend for nearly 3 years. The case has shocked the public and raised serious concerns about domestic violence and the safety of women. According to police, the victim identified only by her initial YTR disappeared several years ago. During that time, her family lost contact with her and did not know where she was. They searched for her and hoped she would return safely, but there was no information about her whereabouts. Authorities said the victim was allegedly confined inside a rented house in Cileunyi, Bandung Regency. During her captivity, she reportedly had little contact with the outside world and was isolated from her family and friends. The case was finally uncovered after the victim was taken to Hasan Sadikin Hospital in Bandung. Medical staff found that she had suffered serious physical injuries and of prolonged abuse. Because of the severity of her condition, the hospital immediately informed the police. Following the report, investigators began collecting evidence and interviewing witnesses. Offers visit the ranch house where the victim had allegedly been held. They carefully examined the location and gathered the information that could help explain what had happened over the past 3 years. Police stated that the victim suffered repeated acts of violence during her captivity. Medical examination showed injuries on different parts of her body, indicating that the abuse might have continued for a long period of time. The victim is currently receiving intense medical treatment and psychology support. Doctor explained that recovering from long-term abuse requires not only physical treatment but also emotional care. Specialists content to monitor the victim's condition while helping her recover from the trauma she's experienced. The victim family experienced relief after finally finding her alive. Although they are grateful that she has been rescued, they remain deeply saddened by what she endured over the past several years. Family members have asked the public to respect the victim's privacy as she continues her recovery. This case has shocked many people across Indonesia. Social media have expressed sympathy for the victim and called for a thorough investigation. Many believe that justice must be served and that similar charges should be prevented in the future. Experts say that cases like this remain subject of the importation of rationing the warning signs of abuse relationship, isolation from family, controlling behavior, threats and repeated violence, or such the someone may be in danger. They encourage victims to seek help as early as possible and remind communities to support those experiencing abuse. As investigators who contain gathering evidence, the public is waiting for more information about a legal process. Police have promised to investigate the case thoroughly and assure that all facts are relevant. That constitutes the first part of today's top story. Police continued the investigation by collecting evidence from the rented house where the victim was allegedly held. Investigators interviewed both family members and several witnesses to understand what had happened during the past 3 years. Others also examined the victim's medical records and gathered forensic evidence to support the investigation. According to investigators, the suspects identified Taufik Hidayat allegedly fled after learning that the victim had been rescued and the police had started investigating the case. Authorities immediately launched a search operation involving several police units to locate the suspect. After an intensive search, police success Taufik Hidayat. He was taken into custody for questioning and is now facing legal proceedings. Investigators continued to examine his statement while comparing them with witness testimony and other evidence collected during the investigation. Police have not yet discovered every detail of the case because the investigation is still ongoing. Authorities stated that they are committed to conducting a fair and transparent investigation while protecting the right and privacy of the victim. Meanwhile, the victim remains under medical supervision. Doctor report that suffered serious physical injuries and emotional trauma after the alleged years of abuse. Medical experts explain that recovery from such experience requires patency, professional treatment, and continuation support from family members and counselors. Psychologists also emphasize the victim of long-term abuse often experience fear, anxiety, depression, and difficulty trusting other people. Recovery is a long process, but with proper care and emotional support, victims can rebuild their confidence and return to normal life. The case has received widespread attention from the Indonesian public. Many people experience sympathy for the victim through social media and called for justice to be served. Community leaders and women's rights organizations also urged authorities to provide maximum protection for victims of domestic violence and unlawful confinement. Legal experts explained that cases involving unlawful confinement and physical abuse are considered serious criminal offenses. If proven in court, the suspect could face severe legal consequences under Indonesian law. However, the final decision will depend on the evidence presented during the judicial process. This case has also become an important reminder for society about the danger of abusive relations. Experts encourage people to pay attention to warning signs as excessive control, isolation from family and friends, threats, intimidation, and repeated acts of violence. Recognizing these warning signs early may help prevent more serious crimes in the future. Authorities encourage anyone experiencing violence or witnessing abuse to report it immediately. Seeking help from family members, church friends, counselors, or the police can make a significant difference in protecting victims and preventing further harm. Community support also play an essential role in helping victims recover by showing in understanding, compassion, and respect. Society can help survivors regain confidence and rebuild their lives. As this investigation continues, police remain committed to uncovering the full truth behind the case, Additional witness may still be questioned and further evidence may be called to ensure that justice is served fairly and according to the law. This tragic incident reminds us that violence should never be achieved in any relationship. Every individual deserves to live in safety, dignity, and freedom. Respect, trust, and healthy communication are the foundation of every positive relationship, while violence and abuse should always be reported and addressed through legal channels. That concludes today's top story. Thank you for joining us on Criminal News. I am Putri Amelia. Thank you for watching. Stay information, stay safe, and remember that protecting another is a shared responsibility. Have a wonderful day and see you again in our next new update. Goodbye.